Wow. I should have got a video of the sign of donkey crossing. It's a real thing. How cute, huh? Isn't that awesome?
He's adorable.
Oh, did you hear him? Did you hear him? He's like calling his buddies. So this is the town of Beatty, Atomic Inn.
That's the Atomic Inn everybody talks about that you could stay at, where they used to do the atomic bombs, are right out here.
How would you like to live there? Oh my gosh.
Death Valley National Park to your left. The Exchange Club Casino and Roaster. Oh, that looks like
Coffee
a fun
roaster.
one.
Oh,
Coffee
wow.
roaster and pastries.
Wow, this
Do you
is
want a
interesting,
lunch
huh?
and breakfast place?
Well, this is cool. I have never been out here. Wow.
I did not expect to see a real friggin' donkey to cross the road. Like, what the hell? National Historic District. It's an old ghost town.
Yeah, look at these old buildings.
Wow, I should park. We should
This
go
is
for a walk.
1907 courthouse.
Wow, that's awesome. Is that a donkey?
Where?
Against the building, a real donkey.
Yeah, he's all cooped up there. He's coming to say hi.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can park.
Oh, he's saying hi.
Okay, let's see if we can get out here.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What's up?
He's so freaking cute.
Karen's
He's
like,
so flippin'
I
cute.
never seen one of those. Look.
Oh. Hi, baby. Can you pet Peacock? Hi, baby. Hi. We're in Goldfield out here, and we're gonna walk around. We're just gonna take a little walk, just for a minute, and just let's see what's going on. This is so pretty. I love this town. Look at how old that hotel is. Let's go. We're just gonna walk and let the dog walk, and then we'll go back on the road. We're actually headed to Tonopah, but this little town is a stop away.
Goldfield Opera House. His name is Leon.
You think that's the Leon donkey? He's a pretty donkey.
Slow down, donkeys in town.
I love the woodcut donkeys. You know, it's kind of Western art, the woodcut donkeys.
So this is where they have the hoedowns. Goldfield Town Square.
Right? It's a construction area.
Look at the Goldfield, Nevada. Greatest gold camp ever known. This place was big.
You are standing in the center of what was the largest city in Nevada in 1907. The population swelled to an estimated 20,000 people, one of the largest mining booms in the western U.S. at its peak.
Substantial buildings, some still standing, house all of the amenities a large city and its residents could want. Hotels, banks, saloons, and casinos, stores of all kinds, and of course, brothels.
3 in the Consolidated Telephone Telegraph Company building was one of the few spared by the fire that destroyed 53 blocks of the downtown area in 1923. Today, this building survived as an unspoiled expression of the work of turn-of-the-century craftsmanship and serves as an example of the business life in the Tonopah Goldfield area from the years when the mines were producing millions and bringing new prosperity to Nevada. From 1904 to 1910, the gold mines of the region boomed. With more than 15,000 people, Goldfield was the largest city in Nevada. During that period, having 4 railroads and other modern conveniences, the town was damaged by a flash flood in 1913, and mining was in decline, so many people left the area. The fire of 1923 caused the remaining residents to leave. Today, the largest employer in Goldfield is Esmeralda County. Oh, this is a mining cart. It's an old mining cart. This is super cool. For an old mining town.
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah.
Where's the gold? Okay, now everybody, stay tuned. We're going to play Where's the Gold Jackpots. And we did rather well on this one. Here we go. Where's the Gold Jackpots?
I don't know what this game's called.
Geisha. It's Geisha.
Oh, it's Geisha. Thank you. I was wondering about that. All right. Here we go, Geisha.
Pop that card.
Let's go. Let's go bonus. Ah, man.
She's laughing at you.
I guess so. What are these little things? They're not wilds or anything. Dragon time. I'd like to see a bonus on the Geisha. That's the bonus emblem. So her wilds bring, yeah, look at that. Interesting. Aces. Come on, show us something spectacular.
She's laughing.
I know. It's interesting. I wonder if the flowers are the highest paid emblem. $5.30. That's a nice little kickback. We'll take it. But we'll take a Gold's Jackpot featured bonus as well. Teapots. Come on, Geisha. Aces? Oh, this is a time we could have used the Geisha. Teapots. Drop in the bucket. Interesting.
Go!
Oh!
That's so funny. And she's laughing too. It was weird. It took like a minute. Let's see what happens. Now, we played this before with the buffalo one, but never the Geisha one. So let's see what happens. Yeah. This time I hope I pick the right ones.
We always got to pick Findo, right?
Oh, right. So. All right. Now what?
Exponential. Eureka. Smashing. Yummy. Splendid. Brilliant. Oh, yeah. Brilliant. Cool.
Let's go, Captain. But did I say Captain? I meant Dollar.
Perfection. Trippy. Oh, man. Yeah. Gold rush.
Precisely.
Fascinating. Profound. Plain jumper.
There we go, watch. Pick this one.
Yeah, that's
Pick
a good
the cat.
one. No, the other crane jumper one.
My hypothesis is rigid.
Let's see if we can get the cat.
Groundbreaking.
Delectable.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh.
Plain jumper.
Oh, here we go,
Yeah,
claim
pick the
jumper.
Aristocat. Aristocat.
Yes.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
So if we get... What just happened? Oh my gosh, that's great.
Nice
So we
win.
got the animals, the cat, the dog, and the Professor Gold. Nice.
$93 win
Oh my gosh.
on the 75-cent bet.
That's amazing. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Let me just do a few backup spins.
Yeah, 90
I'll
bucks.
cash out at 90 or more.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Very nice.
All right. That's it. We're going to go ahead and cash out at $90.67. That was a $20 challenge. Thank you very much, Geisha. Where's the gold jackpots? Thanks for watching, Toodles. Hello, Leon. What do you eat? That looks good.
He thinks it's another dog.
Can I pet you? Here, say goodbye. Say hi, goodbye, Leon.
Old safe. That old ATM telephone booth. It's so random. It's like everything. A kayak.
I just love this area. This is like seriously right up my alley, dude. All this nice stuff. I love it.
Mohawk Mining Company, Goldfield, Nevada.
It's so nice. I like seeing it and everything. It's super cool.
Super cool. We are 183 miles from Vegas. In Goldfield, Nevada. Old mining town. Goldfield Hotel.
Is that what that is?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet that's haunted.
Yeah, that's definitely haunted. Let's go walk around it.
This kind of reminds me of old hotels in San Diego downtown. Remember?
Yeah, the old buildings downtown San Diego, huh? Yeah. And I have heard some haunted stories on some of those. Goldfield Hotel currently looking for licensed contractors. Concrete, plumbing, electrical, masonry. Drop down ceilings. Yeah, so they're looking to restore it.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
I love this. Look at the tile.
A fully restoration and operating would be so cool.
All tours and paranormal investigations are by appointment only.
Really?
Yeah. That's spooky as
No, don't tell me that's in the window.
Yeah.
Don't tell me about that.
Yeah. That's crazy. It's like, is it the Shining that lives in there, or is there a story to this rock?
What the hell?
We need to do
Get
a
that
future
out of
video
there.
on that.
Third trip to the donkey.
Hi, Leon. What's up?
Yeah, it's like, I remember you.
Hi, Leon. Hello. Hi. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye, Leon. It was nice meeting you. Okay, let's go.
He thinks it's a big dog.
He wants to smell it to see how old it is. He's like, I want to know all about you. Bye, Leon.
Bye, buddy.
You want to say goodbye?
Bye, buddy. And that's where we're headed next. On our next video.
I think it's paid.
Or sometime in the future.
Or you have to pay for the park. Ooh, I really like this tree. How fun.